So you want to create a website, but you don't have enough money to get started. Or simply you want to validate your business idea before spending your money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free website with a free domain and hosting. Keep watching. A website consists of two things: a domain name, which is the public URL of your website, like google.com, youtube.com, etc., and the hosting, which is the server that will host your website so it can be accessible online. There are multiple websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc., where you can buy a domain name for which you'll have to pay annually. The same thing is for the hosting. Most of the solutions like Bluehost, Hostinger, etc. offers paid subscriptions to host your website. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website using only free resources, including a free domain name and a free hosting. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any details. Okay, so the first thing is to get a free domain. So go to this website, freenom.com. Here you can register a free domain name. This website provides 5 free extensions, .ga, .ml, and so on. Avoid using .tk as it will not work with the hosting we're going to use. So let's search for freewebtoolkit.ga, for example, and then click on check availability. As you can see, this domain is available to register. You can also use .ml, .cf, .gq totally for free. Anyways, let's proceed to checkout. Okay, now let's choose the period. So we're going to choose 12 months for free. Then click on continue. If you don't have an account, you will be asked to provide your email to create an account. Here I'm already logged in, so I will just check this checkbox and then complete my order. Congratulations, you have now successfully registered your domain. Now let's get the hosting. Simply go to this website, infinityfree.net, which is a free hosting service with a lot of characteristics for free. So simply sign up for a free account. I have already an account, so I will log in to my account. You can have up to 3 hosting accounts. Okay, let's create a new one. You can use a subdomain from Infinity Free from these 7 domains. But for our case, we have already a custom domain. So choose custom domain. Now we need to change the name servers of our custom domain before using it. So click on learn more to get the name servers. Okay, now we need to add these name servers to our domain. So let's go back to freenom.com and go to my domains and click on manage domain. Then click on management tools and then name servers. Choose use custom name servers and paste them. Then click on change name servers. Let's go back to Infinity Free and continue our setup. Just enter your domain name and hit search domain. Okay, so Infinity Free have successfully detected our domain. Now we need to provide some additional data. The username will be automatically generated, same thing for the password, but you can enter your own. Then click on create account. Okay, now our account was successfully created. Click on view on client area to get your cPanel and FTP access credentials. The next step is to install WordPress. Simply click on Control Panel. Okay, you need to grant them the right to send you service emails, so click on I approve to continue. Now we are on the cPanel of our website. Don't worry about all these buttons, simply scroll down and look for Softaculous App Installer. Simply click on it and let's install WordPress. Before installing, you need to configure some settings, like the site name, the admin username and password, etc. You can also select a theme for your website but we will choose a theme later, so click on install. That will take up to 4 minutes, so I will fast forward the video. Okay, WordPress was successfully installed. If you have any trouble accessing your website, just give it 10 minutes and try later. Let's go to our website dashboard. Simply click on this link or type your domain name /wp-admin after your domain name and enter your admin username and password. I will go very quickly over the dashboard sidebar just for beginners here. So on post here you can manage your posts, add a category, etc. Media is where you will upload your images, videos and files. Pages is where you add and manage the pages of your website. On comments, you'll receive the comments that other people posted on your website. Appearance is where you'll customize your website, add a theme, etc. Plugins is where you'll manage your website plugins and extensions. You can also manage your website users. Tools is where you can import or export your website data. And you can update your website settings from the settings menu. Okay, so let's install a theme. Simply hover Appearance and click on Themes. By default, WordPress have activated the 2022 theme. Let's get a look on our website. It's empty right now, so let's go back and add a new theme. We're going to use Astra, which is a very fast and popular theme. If you can't find it here, just search for it. Then click on Install. Once it is installed, click on Activate. Let's refresh now our website to see the changes. Okay, now let's install a plugin from Astra to install a ready-to-use template. So go back to Dashboard and go to Plugins and click on Add New. On the search box, type Astra and install this plugin called Starter Templates. Simply click on Install Now and then Activate. You will be then redirected to this page to set up the plugin. So click on Build Your Website Now. The first step is to select a page builder. We're going to use the popular choice, which is Elementor. In the second step, we're going to select a starter template. I will look for a template on digital marketing. And I will choose this one. On this step, you can customize your logo, but I will skip for now. You can also change the default colors for your website. Just choose the color palette that you like. I'm going to choose this blue one. You can also change the font for your website. I will leave it as Poppins. Then click on Continue. For this last step, I will change nothing and then click on Submit and build my website. This process will take some time, so I will fast forward the video. Congratulations, our website now is ready. Let's refresh our website to see the changes. Now I will show you how to customize it. So we will start by customizing the header. So click on Customize. Then on the sidebar, click on Header Builder. On the header, we have three widgets: the site title and logo, the primary menu, and the button. You can drag them wherever you want. To edit the menu, click on Primary Menu on the left. Then Configure Menu from here and click on Edit Menu. You can simply drag and drop the elements to modify the menu. You can also add items to the menu. Let's add, for example, this simple page. As you can see on the right, the menu has been updated. Now let's go back and update, for example, the logo. Simply click on the site title and logo widget, and I'm going to select my logo. Let's resize it so it fits in the header. The process is the same for the footer. On the left sidebar, click on Footer Builder. You can drag and drop your widgets to the available places. I want to get rid of the business and get in touch sections, so I will delete the third widget, and then on the left, choose 3 columns for my footer. Let's place the social widget on the right, and I want to give more space to About Us section, so I will choose this layout. Now let's edit the first widget. Simply click on it and let's change the logo. So click on Add Media and let's upload our logo. Then let's get rid of the other logo. Then I will resize the logo I have imported. Now let's change About Us informations. For that, I will open my website freewebtoolkit.com to copy the informations. You can also add other social icons. Simply click on the social widget. To add a new one, simply enter the URL and you're good to go. Okay, now let's publish our modifications. Okay, we have a problem here. We need to change the logo for the transparent header as well. So click on Customize and go to Header Builder and click on Customize Transparent Header. And let's upload our logo. Then hit Publish. Now I want to edit this hero section. So click on Edit with Elementor. And as you can see, just click on any element and you can edit it with ease. I want to edit the subheadline, so I will click on it and just paste the content on the box. I want to delete this element, so right click on it and delete. And then I want to change the headline. The same way, I will just click on it and edit its content. The last thing I want to show you is how to add a new section. Simply click on the plus button. And I want to add a 2-column section, for example. For the first, I want to add an image. So let's drag the image widget on it. Then let's choose our image. I will use an image from my article like this. On the second section, I want to add a video, so I will get the link of this one, for example. Then click on the plus and choose the video widget and drop it on the section. The video I'm going to use is from YouTube, so simply enter its URL on the field, then click on Update. Then let's open our website again to see the changes. There is one last thing. As you can see here, our website is not secured. In the upcoming video, I will show you how to install a free SSL certificate and secure our website. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial where I showed you step by step how to create a free website with a free domain and hosting. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to check our free online tools website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.